Alright, so we just started it up. I don't know if you can hear it that well, but it has a solid mix. These are the balance rates of the injectors. Showing they're all over the place. Number 6 is definitely the worst. Number 14 and number 8, negative 14. Just put the Stiction Eliminator in with a fresh oil change and get it up to temperature, and we're gonna bring the RPMs up to about 1200 and let it run and see what happens. See if it cleans it up. Alright, so we're literally only about 5 minutes into it. Steadily having to back throttle down because injectors are clearing up. Look at that. Alright, 22 minutes in roughly. Look at this, man. Crazy. Flattening them all out. Now mind you, we got it running about 1,000 RPMs just to keep all the oil pumping through these Huey injector style motor. Get the injectors freeing up. Got some good operating temp to it. Got a fan on the front. But look at all these injectors leveling off. Number 6, which can't remember exact, but I know it's in the negative 40 range when we started. It's almost within spec. Gonna give it another 20 minutes, man. Let's just see where it goes, man. This is awesome. Alright guys, we are about 50 minutes into it. Still running about 1,000 RPMs. Look at this balance rate, man. Look at number 6 and 8. They were negative, like number 6 was negative 40 something when we started. It's crazy, man. Coming up on an hour, and that's it. Truck's smooth on out, running perfect, man. These balance rates on these injectors are awesome. Good stuff.